Have you ever shifted into reverse on a rainy or snowy day only to see nothing but a blurry mess on your screen? It's frustrating. It's also dangerous. Most of us just live with it or get out of the car to wipe the lens with a thumb. But your backup camera should really be able to clean itself. Well, now it can. Meet the clever solution to one of the most annoying parts of winter driving. This tool is a remote-controlled cleaner designed specifically for your rear-view camera. One press of a button clears away snow, salt, and grime instantly. It gives you a crystal-clear view without you ever having to leave your seat. So how does this gadget actually work? It's pretty brilliant. It uses a high-pressure fluid jet to blast away debris. Think of it like a miniature power washer for your camera lens. It doesn't matter if it's thick mud from a dirt road or dried salt from the highway. The pressure is strong enough to spray it all away in a second. The best part, it's completely self-contained. You don't have to worry about tapping into your car's electrical system or running messy tubes through your trunk. There are no vehicle modifications required at all. It's self-powered and sits discreetly right behind your license plate. You might be wondering if this will work for your specific vehicle. The answer is almost certainly yes. If your backup camera is located above your license plate, which is true for about 99% of vehicles on the road, this product will fit. This includes everything from compact cars to full-sized pickup trucks. Installation is incredibly simple. You don't need to be a mechanic. In fact, all you need is a standard screwdriver. First, unscrew your license plate. Second, position the device behind the plate, aligning it with the existing screw holes. Finally, just remount your plates. That's it, it's installed in less than 5 minutes. Once it's on, you just aim the nozzle at your camera lens. Maintenance is just as easy. You don't even have to take the tool off your car to prep it for the season. You simply open a small latch to refill the fluid and recharge the unit. For most drivers, you'll only need to do this once per season. Whenever your view gets blocked, you just hit the wireless remote button from inside the cabin. One press, one spray, and a perfectly clear view. It's a simple fix for a universal problem. No more guessing what's behind you and no more wiping lenses in the freezing cold. If you're tired of driving blind and reverse, this might be the best upgrade you can give your vehicle this year. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who hates a dirty backup camera. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech breakdowns. You can find the link to the product in the description below.